Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video, and this is Md.Rabiullahh in front of you. I hope you are all full fit and fine, and I'm so by the grace of Almighty Allah. You are watching that I'm standing in the middle of a maize field. Do you know? You know that the previous night was full of stormy along with hailstorm. Whenever I notice the hailstorm and the stormy night storm, I become frustrated and I was totally in darkness whether I can see the maize in well or good. Whenever in this very early morning I come to see my field, I notice that most of the plant has trodden down, and still there is water accumulation because my land is lower than other land. That's why there is still water accumulation. Yesterday I appointed a labor for irrigation, but my all money go to hell. And one thing I always believe, you have to believe in Allah, you have to depend on Allah, you have to trust in Allah. If Allah give me to collect my crops, I will collect this properly. Without this, I have no way, I have no words to say something. And you also notice that the sky is still cloudy, in this Chaitra month. I don't never such kind of various heavy rainfall in our country. Day by day our climate is changing, that's why our seasoning is shifting, and unfortunate rainfall lost the crops. The farmer become very frightened, become very in frustration. Dear viewers, if you like my video, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you do this, it's inspire me to make new content, new video. Today is no more. Allah Hafiz.